On Somalia, food insecurity is expected to get worse for the remainder of this year in some drought-affected regions of Somalia, according to the latest update from the Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs. It mentions specific regions where income and food sources for poor urban households are strongly linked to livestock markets and trade, which are severely affected by the drought. The World Food Program is prioritizing life-saving interventions such as targeted supplementary feeding programs for many affected people. But as a result of the precarious food aid pipeline, WFP is having to phase out support to maternal and child health nutrition programs in 12 centers in three regions in Somalia. About 3.76 million Somalis, or 50% of the country's population, are still in need of livelihood and humanitarian support in Somalia.